Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you'll know when I upload a new video. It's Murakami unboxing time. I have two pieces from the collection. Now, thank you to everyone who's watched my Murakami vlog from last weekend when I went to London for the launch weekend. It was fabulous weekend. I went with some other fabulous luxury YouTubers that I'm friends with, and yeah, we had a great time, and I will link their channels down below. My vlog of that weekend has done so well on my channel. It's probably one of my best performing videos over the last few months, and I've got a few new subscribers from it. So if you have just subscribed because of that, welcome. It's so great to have you here. If you've come back to watch the unboxing because you watched the vlog but you haven't subscribed, I would really hope that you would consider subscribing, and I hope you decide to stick around. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox my two pieces that I got from the Murakami collection. If you've watched the vlog, you'll know that one of them I got as just a walk-in to Louis Vuitton in Harrods, and the other one I pre-ordered. Now, I have got a story time regarding Murakami. I have got a story time that I would like to tell regarding my previous experience with Murakami from many years ago, my history with the collection, and I've got a story time around how I managed to get the pre-order and all things to do with that. I decided not to do that on this video though, because I think probably most of you are just here for the unboxing. You just want to see what I got, and those of you that you know, enjoy my channel and like all the other things I put on my channel, then hopefully you will enjoy the story time, which I will put in another video, probably the next video. But again, as I say, if you're new here and you'd like to hear the story time, please stick around and I will do that in the next video. But so that I don't keep you waiting, I'm just going to unbox today. So let's start off with this piece. This is the piece that I got from Harrods as a walk-in to Louis Vuitton. I managed to pick it up on Friday the 3rd of January, the day the collection launched. We went into Louis Vuitton, had a quick look, went away, came back. When we came back it was a bit quieter. I had seen this piece in the lookbook when I first got the lookbook. I'd been tempted by it, I thought about it, but ultimately I pre-ordered a different piece. However, when I saw this piece in person in Harrods, I absolutely fell in love with it, and I thought, yes, I do really want this piece. I said to the sales associate, do you have one for sale? There were a couple on display. She went and had a look out the back because she was not allowed to sell me the display pieces, and she said, we have one. And I was like, yes, that's mine. Unfortunately, she didn't have the Murakami ribbon and tags and everything, just the bag. So this particular piece has just got the standard Louis Vuitton ribbon. So let's get into it. Oh, it's done up really well. Hold on. I didn't realise it was done up quite so well. Let's see if I can slide it off. There we go, slide it off. Right, so pull the door out. Here it is in its dust bag, no tissue paper. I know there's been lots of, you know, comments about some people have been getting the tissue paper, some people haven't. Okay, so this is the piece I saw in Harrods. It happened to be in stock, and it is the white multicolour pencil case with the pink. Isn't that stunning? Absolutely stunning. I didn't think I was going to be a big fan of the white collection, but when I saw this, it just absolutely popped. I'll try and get that close to the camera so you can see. It's gorgeous. I've been thinking of getting a Louis Vuitton pencil case for quite a while, and I was going to go for the Colourmania one that matched my passport cover, because I've got the pink Colourmania passport cover. Don't use it as a passport colour, I've got a notebook in there. But I was thinking of getting that one, but when I saw this I thought, no, I'm going to get this on. I really want to get this on. So it's got gold hardware, the zip, and inside it's got the most gorgeous, beautiful pink lining. What is it about me and the pink? I'm not a pink person, and yet for some reason I'm choosing all the pink items. It's got, as I'm sure you've seen from other unboxings, if I can get that into focus. Is that in focus? The yeah, there we go. It's got the etching in there in gold. 20-year anniversary collection, Louis Vuitton X Murakami. This piece is made in Spain, and it's got the little the little icons, the flower, the panda, the cherry blossoms, and the other icon, which people don't seem to know what it is, but I think it's some sort of flower. Anyway, so yeah, so that's the inside. It's absolutely yummy. So that's my pink pencil case. I would just say I brought it up to show you. This is the pencil case I currently use. I take this between my home and my office because I have a little set of pens I like to use for work, both at home and in the office, so I transport them in this. This was about £5 from Paperchase. It's very nice, it's very functional. I'm sorry, Mr. Paperchase, you are going to be made redundant. This one is taking over. This is absolutely gorgeous. So that's my first piece. As I say, Louis Vuitton in Harrods. Just went in and asked, got lucky. Right, this piece. There is more of a story around this piece, which will come in the story time. I'll give you a little brief summary of it here, but I will do the full story in the story time. This one comes from Louis Vuitton New Bond Street. This was my pre-order piece with my fabulous sales associate James, who I met through the lovely Deb from Wild Unfiltered. I met him a couple of years ago, and I always knew that, you know, when I was ready to purchase Louis Vuitton again, brand new from the boutique, I would go through James. This one comes with the ribbon, comes with the panda tag. So yeah, so I'm sure, again, you've probably seen this on other people's unboxings. There's the little symbols on the ribbon. I didn't know if I was going to get this. When I got to New Bond Street, my pre-ordered piece wasn't there. As I say, there is a longer story time, which will be on the other video. But just to briefly summarise, my pre-order piece wasn't there. So I shouldn't have been able to bring this home with me. However, talking about Deb, my lovely friend Deb had also ordered this piece. She had decided she wanted something else instead. James had the other item in stock. He was able to exchange this piece for the other piece she wanted, and then he was able to transfer this to me, and then the piece I ordered, if it was ever going to come, was then released back to probably the next person on the waiting list for it. So this technically was Deb's piece, which she very kindly said to James, please let Claire have that piece. I'd like the other piece, let's do the exchange situation, which he did. So thank you, Deb, and that's why I was able to bring this piece home. So yeah, let's not keep you waiting any longer. This one, the ribbon comes off quite easy, she says. There we go. And it's a very small box. You might be able to guess what it is. First piece was white. No prizes for guessing what colour this is. This is a black multicolour piece, and this is the highly anticipated and sought after clay. I know this was a very popular piece. A lot of people wanted this. Again, I love the black pops. We've got the silver hardware on this, and then inside we have got the silver clip. We do have in silver, it's going to be very hard to show you in here, I don't think I can show you, you might just get a glimpse of the silver, but that's the writing again, which again says 20-year anniversary, etc, etc, and it's got the pictures. The interior is black. This is my one disappointment with the Murakami collection, with the black pieces like this. Why didn't they do a colour? What are you playing at, Louis Vuitton? Why didn't you put a beautiful colour in there? It didn't have to be pink like the white. You could have put the teal in. You could have put the green. You could have put, you know, any of the other colours in. Why have you chosen black? Seems a bit weird. I mean, I love the fact you've got the pink on this piece. It just really seems a shame that they've just gone with black in here. And I think some of the white pieces and possibly other black pieces, they've just got a beige interior. I think they missed a bit of a trick there. But yeah, we've all been saying it's a bit of a shame there's not a colour in the black pieces. But yeah, I've got the clay, highly sought after. I know a lot of people have been able to pick this one up, and a lot of people have been disappointed. As I say, initially my pre-order wasn't there, it wasn't in the store, so I was only able to get this one thanks to the lovely Deb. Now Deb talks about the story around it in her video, in her unboxing, so I will link that down below. She doesn't mention this piece by name because she wanted to keep it a surprise, so obviously people that subscribe to her and me didn't know already what I'd got. So thank you, Deb, thank you for keeping it a secret what the piece was that you swapped your other piece out for. So if you want to see the pieces Deb's got, you need to check out her video because she did get an alternative piece to this plus another item. So here we go, my white and my black piece. Oh, and I just remembered, because I went and picked this one up in New Bond Street, I was given the Murakami token, the little silver token that I can use in the vending machine in the pop-up shop. I think the pop-up shop in Soho in London is open now. I can use this token to get a prize. It's stickers or something else, or a Tamagotchi. To be honest, I love this token. I don't really want to stick it in the vending machine. I'm not really interested in getting a Tamagotchi, and I'm not really interested in stickers. So I'm probably going to turn this into a little bag charm or something like that and just keep the token. Although I bought 2 pieces, I only got 1 token. They never actually gave me one in Harrods, and when James gave me this one in New Bond Street, he said it was 1 per client anyway. So he said if had I been given one in Harrods, he wouldn't have been able to give me one the second day. Although I have heard that other people did get 1 per item, so they have actually got more than 1. So it's a bit inconsistent, pretty much like this whole collection has been regarding the pre-ordering and everything. Wherever you go, it's a bit inconsistent. So yeah, I'm probably going to turn this into a bag charm, as I say. So 2 SLGs, didn't get a bag. I did like some of the bags, was tempted, but it was the SLGs that really did it for me, actually. I probably could have bought lots more SLGs. I could have bought passport cover, I could have bought notebook covers, I could have bought the pencil case in black. You know, there were just so many beautiful SLGs. As I say, I will go more into perhaps my reasons for choosing these, a little bit more about my history, as I say, with the collection, because I've never really mentioned Murakami on my channel before, but I will go into that in another video. So, you know, please subscribe and stick around. You know, now you've seen the unboxing, it'd be lovely if you stayed and watched my other videos, and to all my regulars, you know, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and hopefully, as I say, you will enjoy my story time when I put that up as well. We had a fabulous weekend. As I say, I'll link all the other YouTubers down below, and they've all got vlogs and videos out regarding last weekend and the Murakami collection. Some of them have got unboxings, so please check those out. If you've enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what you think of my items. What did you manage to get? If you did, I really hope you all managed to get the items that you wanted from the collection. Thank you everyone ever so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye everyone.